I do it fast only if I take it slow. From the beginning, this is my goal. No matter.
Wow, we're looking interesting. Hi guys, welcome back to A Week in My Life. My name is Steph, and this week we do have a few things going on in my house. So today is Sunday, and I have like a little surprise for my husband. Well, at this point it's not a surprise anymore because I had to tell him because it's a huge package that's coming through Amazon, and I bought one of those cool egg chairs, and the weather's been really nice out here in Orlando, so I got him that so he can spend time outside on our balcony. And also me too, you know, or the nights where we just want to hang out on our balcony and just chit chat. But also I do have a Korean barbecue surprise that I have for him, and I'm taking you guys along with me because I need a few more items. We're also gonna go to ABC Wine because I do want to get a oh man, the word is it's a Korean rice wine. It's really good. Oh man, I'm gonna write the name here, but it's so good. It's like, it's white, and it's made out of rice. Obviously, I just said it, rice wine, and it's really good. It's really good. It's sweet, tangy, all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna get those things right now at Walmart and then ABC, and then we're gonna come back to the house. I also do currently have some bread being baked. Well, it's not being baked right now, but it's rising. The dough is rising right now for an entire hour. So during this hour, I'm gonna do all of that stuff. I'll show you guys the bread, but if you guys want the recipe to pub sub bread, which is what I'm making, because my husband loves pub subs, so I'm gonna be making that for him at home. If you guys want that recipe, let me know and I'll make it for you, or I'll show you. I'll show you. For the rest of the week, we're going to Disney for 2 days. I'm doing a challenge, so if you guys want to know about that challenge, head over Day in My Life at Disney, and I have a challenge going on right now. And then also I'm gonna dedicate one day at Disney to work out, meaning like walk around the resorts and the parks, or do some work there at one of the resorts. So I hope you guys subscribe if you haven't already. But if you guys love Disney content, if you guys love my videos, make sure you share with your friends and family. I would greatly appreciate that. So let's head to Walmart. I am so lost in here. I have no idea where I'm supposed to be looking for this Korean drink. All right, so they did not have any Korean drink, but I did get this sake, which is Japanese, I know. But regardless, I heard the guy was explaining to me that it's really closely resembling to the Maggioli. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering the name, but unfortunately they didn't carry any Korean alcoholic drinks, so we went with Japanese, and we're good. So let's head on home. I'm gonna check on, I need to continue on the bread that I'm making, and then we'll wait to see when we're gonna start with the, what was it? Oh, the chair. I need to have it delivered, and then we'll have some Korean barbecue later. Huzzah. All right, so while I'm making my bread, also right after, I'm gonna start preparing the green onions, the mushrooms. I'm also going to make, oh my God, what is the name? Oh God, I hate when this happens. God, it's hot.
Wow.
Look at that.
That looks amazing.
Damn, that looks good. All right, so I finished prepping all the stuff for the barbecue, the Korean barbecue, and actually the egg just arrived, so we're gonna go build that now, and then I have to work out, and then after that is when we're gonna have the Korean barbecue. I had to change because it is hot out there, so I'm gonna build the egg. I practically finished pre-making everything for the Korean barbecue later today. So once I'm done with the egg, I'm gonna bring up some tables to set it up just to have things set up. And then I'm gonna work out, and then hopefully by 5 or 6 o'clock, well, we're aiming for 6 o'clock. It's not too hot out there, and then we'll get started on the barbecue. Hi guys, so today we are heading to the Grand Floridian and also Disney Springs because I do like to record all the new merch that comes into the world of Disney, and I like to post that on TikTok. So if you're into like merch stuff, all of those things are going to be on my TikTok and Instagram as well. Same handle at Main Street Steph. Why am I out of breath? Whew. Okay. So I'm just packing a few things because we're gonna head, like I said, to the Grand Floridian, and we are going to work there for a little bit and maybe walk around the resort and then come back and head home. So I'm just packing my iPad, my notebooks, and a few things here and there for our trip today at the Grand Floridian. Please ignore how dirty and filthy this mirror is, how embarrassing, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing just a plain black t-shirt with my Mickey Bermudas. I do have some Coach loafers that I'm wearing, my Walt Disney World bag, and you can see my Mickey hat. So this is my outfit of the day. Let's head on to Floridian and go work a little bit over there and enjoy this wonderful day outside because it's really nice outside. It's gonna be a little hot, but it's gonna be overall a very nice day. All right, guys, hopefully you can see me here. It's kind of dark in here in the car. We just got back from Grand Floridian. I spent a chunk of my time there just planning, doing a whole bunch of stuff, and I am so thirsty. And I had this in my bag the whole time, my Stanley and my Olipop drink, and this Stanley has kept my Olipop cold this entire time, and I had this in my bag since this morning, so it's pretty crazy that it's kept it cold, and that's really great because I am really thirsty. Whew, okay, so I have to go home. I'm gonna head home because my husband just texted me saying that he's heading home early today, which is awesome, and I can't wait to see him. And honestly, I do want to take my girls out to walk since they've been alone at the house for the first part of the day. So let's head home and go walk the girls.
Day after day,